Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Steph, and today I'm coming to you all with my 2-year Microlock update. Really, Bentley? He just don't care. He just opens the door just loud. All right, guys, please do me a huge favor. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And let's not wait. Let's get into this update. As you all see, I have quite a bit of locks in my hair, and I started September 15th, 2021. I will drop the video here of my first video of me having my twist in. I just started off, I really wasn't even going to do locks. I just wanted to do some mini twist in my hair. So I did the mini twist, decided I loved it, decided I liked the low maintenance. So I decided to keep them in, and here we are. And as you all see, guys, I started with 2-strand twists. That was fairly easy for me. And anyone who's doing DIY micro locks, I would definitely say, if your hair is fairly curly and holds a twist, you can definitely just start with that, because that's the easiest way. But yes, guys, I started with that. I really didn't put much thought into my parting. I did do my parts pretty good. They're not horrible, but I wasn't very strategic with that. So, but at this point, I'm really not tripping on the whole parting thing because you can barely see my parts regardless. So, and how I'm maintaining it or retying it is I'm doing the 2-point rotation. Some people do 4-point, but I just like the 2-point because it has more volume. I feel like my hair has more volume than if I did the 4-point. I'm going to show you the tools that I used. All right, y'all. So these are the tools that I use. I also use the crochet needle. I will put a picture here because it's somewhere in this house and I don't know where it's at. But these are the main tools I use here. These little micro lock tools that I ordered. And as far as the products that I use on my hair right now, it's just this good old clove water. I use this maybe 2 or 3 times a week. This here helps to keep my hair strong and maintain its length, but it is protein packed. So definitely be careful with clove water if you are a loose natural, but for people with locks, I say go ahead and spray it on because it really helps to strengthen the lock. As far as washing my hair, I wash it once a month. I go to a beautician here in Ghana, and she just washes my hair once a month, and she gets me very, very good, y'all. And then she sprayed me down with some kind of hair oil, but I really love that. That's my pampering moment. But other than that, guys, I do not really use any products on my hair. Really don't have to. And that's one of the beauties of having micro locks. So do I have any regrets? No. Well, I won't say no. Well, I don't have regrets. I'm very grateful for how I started it. But if I could restart, I would do my parts a little better just because. But as far as that, sometimes some of my locks, like here, for instance, I'm not sure if you can. This here is not budding. This one is, I tied it incorrectly. Don't ever do that. I don't even want to tell you how I tied it because that was horrible. It almost looked like budding right here, but it's not budding. I mean, I'm sure it is, but as far as that, also I probably would have stretched my hair more throughout my journey before my hair actually locked. Because for instance here, I'm not sure if you can see, down below my hair is very locked. It's locked all the way to the ends, but at the top, it's not as locked. Some of them are pretty, or some of them are budding, I ain't gonna lie. But if I could do it over again, I would stretch it a tad bit, but I used to try to stretch it and it just felt like I overstretched it. I didn't like the look, so I didn't keep doing it. I just let it do its thing. I mean, I'm not mad at it, but I do like the curly end sometimes. So yeah, as far as that, I don't really have any regrets. I would say that if you're in the Ghana area or Accra, Ghana area, I can definitely help you with starting it, whether you want me to assist you or whether you want to do DIY. Also, I do have a Healthy Hair Care Workbook that I just created. It took me a little while to get it done, but that's neither here nor there. I have a healthy hair care workbook / journal. It has pages where you can record your DIY recipes. You can also, it has a profile there where you can just kind of start your profile, like how your hair is, what state it's in. You can even put a picture there as far as your hair right then. Also, it helps you to track like your water intake, meal intake, things like that, because those things are very important in your healthy hair care journey. So if you really want to take that journey seriously and more so establish a routine, definitely check out my Healthy Hair Care Workbook. I have it in digital format and I also have it in instant download. The link will be down below. And yes, guys, so that was it. Of course, I'm going to be showing you headshots. Hopefully you enjoyed my video. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. I will be coming to you guys with another video here soon. And y'all have a blessed and beautiful day. All right, guys. Bye.